a quick summary. Reissue of forfeited shares at par. Reissue entries are the same as for issue. What are they? Bank account debit to share capital, because that was at par. But the moment the shares are reissued, we should not forget to transfer the balance in the shares forfeited account to capital reserve. Shares forfeited account debit to capital reserve. With what amount? With the amount received on the shares forfeited and reissued. If forfeited shares are reissued at a premium, bank account debit to share capital to securities premium. And again, transfer the amount that we received, we forfeited on the shares forfeited to capital reserve. Shares forfeited account debit to capital reserve. With what amount? With the amount received on shares forfeited and reissued. If forfeited shares are reissued at a discount, here there is a small variation. Bank account debit with the amount received, say 9 rupees. Shares forfeited account debit 1 rupee to share capital. Instead of debiting discount account, we debit shares forfeited account. Because on reissue of forfeited shares, if we reissue at a discount, that is a loss we make on reissue. We have already made a gain on forfeiture. So, this loss on reissue is set off against the profit on forfeiture. Reissue of forfeited shares originally issued at a discount. That means if we reissue forfeited shares at a discount, but these shares were also originally issued at a discount, in that case we write back the original discount. So, the entry becomes bank account debit with the amount we receive on reissue, discount account debit with the original discount, shares forfeited account debit with the balance discount to share capital. And the amount which is transferred to capital reserve, we need to compute. How do we compute? Two ways we could do it. One is the amount received on forfeiture is the net gain. The amount that we have debited to shares forfeited account is the loss. Therefore, the difference per share into the number of shares reissued would give us the amount to be transferred to the capital reserve account. Alternatively, we could check what should be the balance in the shares forfeited account. What should be the balance in the shares forfeited account? The amount received on shares forfeited but not yet reissued. We can keep that balance intact and the remaining amount could be transferred to capital reserve.